Do you want to start an online business in 2025 and make it successful from day one? The truth is, most people fail because they miss some simple but powerful steps. But don't worry, today, I'll show you exactly how to start a successful Shopify store in 2025, step by step. Hi, I'm Fiscally Stoic, and in this video, we're going to cover everything you need to build a Shopify store that actually makes money in 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've tried before and failed, this guide is for you. So, stick around till the end because I'm sharing some insider tips that most people never tell you. Choose the right niche. The first step to a successful Shopify store is picking the right niche. In 2025, trending niches include health and wellness, eco-friendly products, and digital products. But don't just pick what's trending, pick something you're passionate about and something people are willing to spend money on. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok, or even Shopify's trend reports to find hot products. Research your audience. Next, you need to understand your target audience. Who are they? What problems do they have? What products will solve those problems? For example, if you choose a fitness niche, your audience might be busy professionals who want home workout gear. When you know this, everything becomes easier from product selection to marketing. Set up your Shopify store. Now let's set up your Shopify store. Go to shopify.com, sign up for a free trial, and choose a plan later when you're ready. Then, pick a clean, professional theme. Don't overcomplicate it. Add your logo, brand colors, and make sure your store looks trustworthy. People buy from stores that look professional. Add winning products. This is where most beginners mess up. They just add random products. Don't do that. Use tools like Oberlo, Ordsers for drop shipping, or find reliable suppliers if you're selling your own products. Always look for products with good demand, low competition, and a decent profit margin. Set up payment and shipping next. Enable payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal so customers can pay you easily. Also, set clear shipping policies. If you're drop shipping, be honest about delivery times. In 2025, transparency is everything. Marketing and driving traffic. Your store won't make sales without traffic. The fastest way, TikTok and Instagram Reels. Post short, engaging videos about your products. Show how they solve problems. For paid ads, start with small budgets on Facebook or TikTok ads. And don't forget email marketing. Offer a discount in exchange for emails and keep your audience engaged. Optimize and scale. Finally, track everything: sales, traffic, conversion rates. Use Shopify Analytics and tools like Google Analytics. If something works, scale it. If something doesn't, change it quickly. The key is to keep testing and improving. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. And if you want my free Shopify checklist, check the link in the description.